The idea behind this treaty is fairly simple: to increase international cooperation to better fight future pandemics. There are some big names backing it, including the UK's leader Boris Johnson, his French counterparts Emmanuel Macron and German Chancellor Angela Merkel, as well as the World Health Organization. Its Director General, Dr. Tedros Ghebreyesus, said 23 countries in total have signed this letter backing the treaty.
The time to act is now. The world cannot afford to wait until the pandemic is over to start planning for the next one. We must not allow the memories of this crisis to fade and go back to business as usual.
The issue of a joined-up approach to fight public health emergencies across the world has really been brought into sharp focus over the past year, with the different national approaches to fighting COVID-19 and the varying levels of success that different countries have had in achieving that. But this isn't just about the rhetoric, it's also got some teeth to it as well. For example, the treaty will help set better rules around sharing information on future pandemics early on. It will also look at sharing vaccines with poorer nations and then also distributing things like medicines and treatments more equally as well. Crucially, the world's two largest economies, the US and China, notable absentees in signing this letter backing the treaty. But the World Health Organization says both countries have responded, quote, positively to the news, and that future discussions around this will include all member states. The wider concern here, though, has to be about the fact that the current pandemic is still ongoing. Despite hopes of a future treaty, COVID-19 is still raging in many parts of the world, and many nations still prioritizing their own borders and their own people. And that's the sort of thinking the World Health Organization says needs to change if future pandemics are to be combated more successfully. Nawied Jabarkhyl, CGTN, London.